Good day, all you sandwiches and wizards and other sandwich magical folk out there. Sandwich Dad here, and today on Sandwich Dad, it's smoked oysters. I asked my pal and seafood aficionado chef Charlotte Langley how best to use them in a sandwich, and she said I should put them in an omelet. I love smoked oysters, I love omelets, let's do it. First, we'll butter up our pan, and we're going to toast 2 cheap slices of grocery store French bread on both sides in butter. Open up our can of oysters here, and into a separate skillet, we'll put in some of that smoked oyster liquor. And let me tell you, it's a bit of a fragrant oil. Add some chopped onions to that, as well as some shredded Napa cabbage. Once that's wilted a bit, we'll put on some lemon juice. Once our bread's toasted and out of the pan, we can whisk up a couple of eggs, 3 to be exact, and start making our omelet. Swirl it around, as you do. And one flavor I know that goes quite well with omelets and with smoked oysters is a nice old cheddar cheese. Get that on there. We'll start putting about a half a can of smoked oysters on, and then our nice sautéed cabbage and onions, and a little bit of chili crisp for a bit of heat. This is Fly by Jing chili crisp. Then we'll accidentally not quite film the flip, get a nice shot of Sandwich Dog, who's been watching me the whole time, and then we're going to flip it again into a bit of a triangle to try and allow our sandwich to better fit the bread. We'll trim it down a bit, and hey, there you go, fits nicely. We're also not going to film the putting Kewpie mayo on both sides, on the omelet and the bread. A little bit more Napa cabbage. Put it all together, and let's have a nice admire. Hey, looks like a sandwich. What comes next is, of course, we cut diagonally and reveal. Hey now, here's another angle. It's kind of like a Denver, but with oysters. I guess if we used Rocky Mountain oysters, it would still be kind of a Denver. But anyways, here we go. Taste test, smoked oyster omelet sandwich. Punches you in the mouth a bit at first, but that's quite good. Extremely rich. After I filmed, I actually put some prepared horseradish on it, and that really cut through the richness a bit even better. Sandwich Dog certainly enjoyed the cheese tax that was dripping off of it. Might need a bit of tweaking, but a test kitchen success. I'm going to call it the Walrus. This is Sandwich Dad. Good day!